Ears.
It has little ears.
Foot.
A little foot.
That's called a paw.
Paw.
Yeah. Where's his nose?
Nose. Nose. Nice puppy.
Yeah, nice puppy.
Go out. Go walk.
Take puppy for a walk?
Yeah.
Puppy's sleeping.
You look like